can have a profound impact on AI's ability to identify patterns and make accurate predictions.
The consequences of data corruption extend far beyond inaccurate predictions or biased outcomes. Big data projects, often involving significant financial investments and organizational resources, face a high risk of failure, with many failing to deliver on their promised returns. According to Gartner, an alarming 85% of big data projects fail. VentureBeat paints an even grimmer picture, reporting that a staggering 87% of data science projects never even reach the production stage. These failures can be attributed to a multitude of factors, including poor data quality, inadequate infrastructure, and a lack of skilled data professionals. However, one of the most significant contributors to big data project failures is the human element. A 2017 study revealed that a staggering 62% of big data project failures stemmed from project management and organizational issues, highlighting the crucial role of effective communication, collaboration, and a clear understanding of project goals. These findings underscore the need for a holistic approach to big data initiatives, one that addresses not only the technical aspects but also the human factors that are critical for success.
As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, ensuring its responsible and ethical development and deployment is paramount. This requires a multi-pronged approach, encompassing robust data governance, ethical frameworks, and ongoing oversight to mitigate the risks of data corruption and its potentially harmful consequences.
Data curation, the process of meticulously cleaning, organizing, and preparing data for AI consumption, is not merely a technical necessity, but an ethical imperative. By ensuring data integrity, we lay the foundation for fair, unbiased, and reliable AI outcomes. This involves implementing rigorous data quality checks, addressing missing values, and correcting errors to create datasets that accurately reflect the real world.
Equally crucial is the establishment of clear ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment. These guidelines should address issues of bias, fairness, transparency, and accountability, ensuring that AI systems are used responsibly and do not perpetuate or exacerbate existing societal inequalities.
Furthermore, independent oversight and regulation are essential to prevent the misuse of AI and safeguard against potential harms. This includes establishing mechanisms for auditing AI systems, ensuring algorithmic transparency, and providing avenues for redress in case of AI-related harms.
By fostering collaboration between regulators, industry leaders, researchers, and civil society, we can create a robust framework for ethical AI governance, fostering innovation while safeguarding against potential risks.